This is a Night Owl 1080p smart doorbell camera. Just done install it for a customer. It's work real good. It's real nice. For the price, can't beat it. When you're installing it, make sure it's 4 feet from the ground up. So the existing doorbell was too low, so I have to go up 9 inches higher than where it was. So I have to cut the wall, plus the hanger from the door, you see where it was, so I cut the wall and mount it side the door, sideway from the door, so it's much easier for you to see your visitor like that. You don't have to angle it all that, much. So that's very good for the price, $79. You get a smart doorbell, work real good. Can't beat it. I love it. I love it. Guys, check it out. You don't have to spend $200. Free footage. You don't have to pay to watch your video footage. Hey, you don't have to pay $3 a month. $3 a month?